Wagwan, welcome back to my channel. This is a story time, and I thought about whether I should put it on the internet or not, but it has been a few years, so I said why not. So this is a warning. If you know that you are afraid of Duppy, do not watch this video. This video is not for you, because you might see an image that appears to be a Duppy. I'm not sure what it is, but if you know that it will affect you mentally after seeing the picture or after hearing what I have to say, do not watch the video. The video is not for you. Alright, so now that I warn you and I told you that what is in the video, so I am expecting you to make the decision whether you want to watch the video or not, because I already warned you. Alright, so let's go ahead. This happened back in 2012. I am the type of person who likes to tour Jamaica with my family. We have been to so many different places in different parishes. We like to, visit different hotels, spending the weekend and so forth. That's what we love to do. Or we love to visit different beaches. We just like touring Jamaica, right? Because of COVID, we kind of slow down now. We haven't done that since COVID, right? Alright, so on this particular day in 2012, we decided to revisit Dongs River Falls because we have been there so many times. And, we stop at Faith's Pen on our way to Dongs River Fall. Faith's Pen is a rest stop. It used to be very busy, very bustling. A lot of people commuting between, going to Ocho Rios. Basically, we would stop at Faith's Pen to buy food, jerk chicken, jerk pork, festival, fried fish, bami, roasted yam, roasted saltfish, you name it. All of Jamaican's traditional food, you will get that to buy at Faith's Pen, along with sugar cane and fruits, Jamaican apples, tambourine, you name it. All of them something there. They are at Faith's Pen. First time, because of the toll road, Faith's Pen is not busy as before, and a lot of the iglas, them close the shop now because, business slow because the traffic diverted because of the toll road. We don't have to pass Faith's Pen anymore when going into Ocho Rios. We just lick the toll road, even though it is expensive. So you will find one and two people still traveling that route. So a few vendors are still at Faith's Pen, but it is nothing compared to what it used to be, right? So it was the rest spot, as I mentioned before. We would stop and we would buy authentic Jamaican food, and who want to use the bathroom, go and use the bathroom, and we would take picture and have a merry good time. So I'm going to show you a video. This video was taken on this very day that I am talking about. I went to a stall and I purchased roasted yam, but the lady didn't have any change, so she asked me to give an eye on the stall while she went and looked change. Give an eye means to oversee the stall, right? She was alone at the stall, or so I thought. Anyway, I took out my camera and I took pictures of the yam because it was really pretty. She cleaned up the yam very good. So I took pictures, and the camera that I use wasn't a digital camera, okay? So she came back with my change. We took my change and we went to Dongs River, and we have a good time until we're ready to leave and we head home, right? So I can't remember if I did bring in the pictures for them to clean the following week or the week after. I don't remember, but I would say it was a short time between going to Dungs River, taking those pictures and having them clean, because I never really keep them that long. I clean them over the mall, right? So I went in to get them clean, and I gave the guy my number, my first name, no, my name, my complete name, my telephone number, and I paid in full. And he told me that I would get back the pictures in 5 working days, but it can be before 5 working days. And I said, okay, they clean pictures for me all the time. So by now they were used to me, right? So on this day now, I was at work and my cell phone rang. And it wasn't the receptionist that was calling me from the photo place. It was the guy that works around the back developing the pictures. And he asked me if I can come in for the pictures because them ready. And I said, what? It was before the 5 working days, but that was not unusual. So I told him that I was at work. I'm going to leave work 4 o'clock. And the place closed at 6 p.m. So that gives me ample time to leave work and to collect the pictures. And he said, okay, but the okay sounds as if he's a little disappointed, or I should say a little anxious for me to come and get the pictures. And I detected that in his voice. And I said, what's wrong? And he said, no, I said, no, sir, something wrong. Because and now me tell us me I go come for them after me leave work. Me can't come for them right now. And then you sound a bit disappointed. And he said to me, he said, no man, when you come in. So me I said, no sir, something is wrong. Alright. If you know me, I hung up the phone. But if you know me, you know some my guards gone up same time. Right? So me not go for the pictures. No, because I never like how him sound too anxious for me to come and get the pictures. And then me asked him what's wrong, and he was trying to brush it aside as if me an idiot. And I said, guess what? I'm not going for the pictures this evening. I'm not gonna go into any form of ambush or anything like that, even though me not do nobody nothing. But listen, you don't know what people, sometimes you not do nobody nothing, but people feel say to them something. So me say me not going. Anyway, I mentioned it to a coworker of mine, and he said he will go get the pictures for me. I said, okay. So we drove by the mall to collect the pictures. I stayed in the vehicle, and I gave him the receipt, and he went up for it. I saw him came down the stairs, and he beckoned to me, calling me, and I said, what's wrong now? Anyway, I trusted my coworker. I got out of the car and went to him, and he said, I need to come look at something. I said, what? He said, one of the picture. No look too right. So I said, what? And I said, come on, come look at the picture. Okay, so when I look at the picture, I said, Kakafat, what is this? What is this? I look at the picture. I said, listen, that lady was the only one at a stall. I don't know who that man is. He wasn't at the stall. He wasn't at the stall. None whatsoever. And I spoke with the guy, and he said that all I'm going to try to get it clearer, it can't come any clearer. You understand? And I said to myself, say I'm going to carry the picture up to Faith's Pen and see if anyone out there recognize who that was, But my husband said no matter with that, so I didn't. So I'm gonna show you the picture. Yeah, so that is the picture. So if you look at the picture carefully, you can see an image. Now, while I was purchasing the yam, nobody never in a stall. Nobody whatsoever. If I sit down there, so nobody never sit down there, so nobody never in a stall. I don't know where it come from. I pose up in my picture. I don't know where he came from, posing up in my picture. So, this is my story time. Yeah, but listen, it is not the first time, you know. I was braiding my hair and there was an accident out on the main road nearby. Two guys riding a bike, well, two bikes, and they crash. What we call motorcycle now, we call them bike in Jamaica. All of a sudden, them as a motorcycle, whatever. Maybe that is the name from long time, but we say bike, right? I know them say driving a motorcycle. When I was growing up, we say riding a bike. Anyway, them crash. Why them crash? Where them crashing at? We don't know. We don't see what them crashing at. But them crashed and they died on the spot. And it was so puzzling for everybody because we don't see where them crashing at. And I took a picture. And I have a razor phone. I had a razor phone, I have it again. And I took a picture at it. And when I look at my razor, I saw a white woman standing up looking down at the two deceased. Yeah? And I had the picture for so many years. And my mother said I must delete the picture from my phone. Delete the picture from my phone. And that's when I did. I just deleted the picture off of my phone. Yeah, so this is like the second time I took picture and something turned up on me. Whenever in night, when me I take a picture, or me I tell us them something a bare face. So this is my story time. I have a next story time, you know. But me I will leave that for later. That one here has nothing to do with Duppy. That one here is more. That one here funny. That one here funny so till even though I can't believe me still a laugh. Me even know say something can go so. The story time the funny as hell. The one the funny bad. Anyway, thanks for watching.